I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, so what we got here is concrete post, concrete grabber boards, then edgings, arco channel, edging, and then new concrete path. Edgings alongside there, that's going to be the height of the concrete. Holes are all dug out for the posts. Got to take that concrete out there. We need to get back flush with this fence here. We'll carry on through there. Also as well, pick up on the alcohol channel here with a trench here. I'm going to put some pipe in there. And then I'm going to tap into this 4-inch pipe there with a T. And then back up there with a pipe. Come up there with a 90 and then pick up on that alcohol channel there. I want to do a video on this for you. I'll do it on the next one. Yeah, so I want to tap on there with that T and I'll show you how it's all done. I'm going to put my head strap on, hopefully I'll get some good footage with it and show you. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how to tap onto this 4-inch pipe with this T. Try and keep it down as low as I can so I've got a nice fall. I'll just mark that off there. I want to cut the pipe through there. Yeah, so before I put this T on the 4-inch pipe there, I did realise that there was a live gas main lying down low close to where I'm cutting, so I had to do a really precision cut, nice and steady, otherwise that could have been a bit of a disaster. That's it. Couldn't get to the back of that, so I had to go all the way through from the front. Just get a bit of a chamfer on that. Woo! Right, plenty of lubrication on here. That's a bit of pipe lubrication. It's got to be done with that. Makes your life a little bit easier. I want to put that on there. Okay. Now what I need to do is
I need to put a slip collar on there, and what that'll do is come up a bit further, then I can just slip it back down. So all I've done is about a 5-inch piece. I'm going to pop that on there. Plenty of lube. On that. Just looking at that, it's I had to take the just like sort of nipples in there, but what I've done is just chop them off, so then it slips up through. Put that on there. Now I'm going to mark off where this slip joint's going to go, so that's going to sit down there like that. I need to be cutting that there really then, level with that pipe there. That's going to slip down like that. Yeah. Let's cut this through. Chamfer that off a little bit. Alright, I'll just go back in there. Okay. Get some lube on the slip joint. Let's get some on that pipe as well. Get this slip collar on. Like that. And all I've got to do now is tap that over with the pipe. That's gone on there, lovely. So there you go. That's how you tap onto a 4-inch pipe with a T. A little bit tricky. And then all I'll do now is come off that, bring the pipe through, and then pick up there with a 90 for the alcohol channel.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.